Hello and welcome to Kelly Hicks Construction in Sublet, where we're looking at Quail Ridge and Summit park models by Forest River. This is unit number 5692 and it's a Summit 355FL. It's a double loft model and it's a brand new offering this year. It's our price leader. Very budget minded for people looking for a double loft park model, because they've gotten pretty expensive if you haven't noticed already. Anyhow, it's gray with white siding and white trim. Let's go on in and have a look. It's actually a really cool trailer. I like it. Got 3 of them in stock, various colors. You got a sleeper sofa, Mastercraft rocker recliner, trapezoid window. You got a fireplace for ambiance. Pretty cool, huh? Table and 4 chairs. Good sized kitchen. Stainless steel sink. 5 burner range, 30-inch microwave. Let's go check out the upstairs. It's about half the trailer. I'd say it's about 50% loft. It's nice this way. You got a big open feeling in the front, and then a big loft for guests or adults or kids, grandkids, whoever you want to sleep in them can sleep in them. Plus you got 2 on the sofa and 2 in the master bedroom. Got nice shelving in all the cabinetry. Full length ball bearing drawer guides. Let's check out the bathroom. Perfect trailer for a family. It's got a tub and a shower. It's got a window in the bathroom. It's got a nice medicine cabinet, vanity, sink, porcelain stool, of course. Here's the shower and tub with the shower curtain. Frigidaire appliances. Okay, let's head on into the bedroom. Oh, we've got a pantry. Forgot to show you the pantry. Pantry. You can put all your canned goods in there or whatever you want. Linen. You got a nightstand, lamp, bedspread, sliding door, 4 doors and 8 drawers. You got lights in the closet, so you can see what's going on in there. Lights by the makeup mirror. More full extension ball bearing drawer guides, so you can load up the drawers. Okay, you got the ceramic tile look on the floor. I'll point the camera down. There we go. I'm going to take one last pass through here and call this a video.